Beautiful place. It's hard to say what is up in here, maybe what's even looking at me right now. I know there's barred owls up here. I saw one. They're pretty much everywhere in southern West Virginia. Wow, look at this in front of me. That is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful scenery. I'm thinking seriously about coming up here and building me a shelter after a lot of this greenery goes away. It's really super brushy and green up here. There he is. Pretty little fella. There he is. Okay everyone, thanks for coming today. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a good time. I know it's not a very long video, but it's a beautiful place. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me today as we took a little journey. Lord will, in the future we'll go even further to see what's ahead of us. When all this greenery goes away and it gets a little more clear to where I can see, and I can see if there's anything around me. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for all the new subscribers and for all of you that stay with me over the time. Hope you have a blessed day in Jesus' name.